how to set up a Cricket wireless personal hotspot on iPhone. Here's how it works. First, you will need to open up your iPhone settings, and then from here you will just choose the personal hotspot section. Now first you want to make sure that allow others to join is turned on, and also you have the option of setting a password for your personal hotspot. You have different ways of connecting to that hotspot, which we just set up for Cricket Wireless. The first way will be just joining it as you would any other wireless network. Right here you will just go and search for the wireless networks and connect to it if you're using another phone or PC. And you also have the option of using Bluetooth or USB, but I suggest using it as a Wi-Fi network, which is going to be the easiest for you, and that is how you set up a Cricket wireless hotspot, personal hotspot on iPhone. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.